Unexpected moments, on Russian roads, epic situations. He did not expect the idiot to brake, and there is a very heavy truck behind him. His rare motorcycle, that moves without a driver, caught on the camera. Unbelievable how the bus driver did not see that there was another car behind him. This man is very lucky, almost caused a traffic accident. A moving car, against the flow suddenly, veered into a different lane, causing a collision. Russian police leaves much to be desired, unexpectedly reversing in the middle of the road. The pickup driver did not keep the right speed on the road and such. This man, he was very lucky. Unexpected traffic jam, the driver had to react immediately. In such situations, you need a handbrake, stopping the car, on scooters. Speeding bus ran other cars, then stopped. The incredible loss of a few wheels on the truck made it impossible to drive. Too high car speed caused a very long braking distance, a lucky man. Crossroads often participates, traffic do not know who has the right. Reversing in reverse is not a simple matter. When you don't look in the mirrors, it's easy to incident. This driver almost avoided the incident by immediately turning left. Caught on camera, truck without brakes, ran across the middle of the road. It was very dangerous. Full overtaking ended up being such an incident. A tire flying over cars is a very rare moment. This man drove unexpectedly, causing a minor car bruise on the road. Speeding car was unable to brake out, hit other cars. This idiot did not happen to react to a sudden stop. Unbelievable how the driver, driving in the wrong lane, skidded slowly. Such a moment, as non-compliance with traffic regulations, ends like this. In this situation, the driver entered the intersection at the red light. Driving to the side of the car caused the wheels to lose traction to the ground. This guy doesn't know the traffic law. He crashed into the other car, causing little damage. In such weather conditions, the worst driver accelerated, instead of slowing down. In Russia, idiots cause incidents, and then run away. Construction work, by such a machine, is associated with the appropriate driving authorizations.